All right. Figure 7.13 shows the number of automobile fatalities and the number of vehicle miles driven among all Americans for each year over a period of more than 4 decades. In terms of death rate per 100 million vehicles driven, how has the risk of driving changed over this period? So I guess what we want to do is we want to look at the values for the beginning and the end. So in 1970, so we have I'm just trying to interpret the graph here. We have deaths and we have miles. I believe miles is this thing. Miles driven is the this here. So 1970. Let's look and see what we have. We have around 52,000 deaths here. So 52,000 deaths. And how many miles were driven? We had it looks like we had 20. Oh, wait, does it say how the deaths per 100 million? Okay, per 100 million miles. Okay, sorry about that. Apologize. I was having trouble reading this. This goes to that over there. Okay, my fault. So this would be around 1.1. Yeah, 1.1. So it's 1.1 millions. Is that, oh, it's trillions of miles. So 1.1 trillion miles. Okay. I'll learn how to read this eventually. Okay, apologize. So, and then 2016, we had, it looks like about 37,000 deaths. And we had around 3.2 trillion miles driven. So now what we've got to do is, in terms of death rate per 100 million vehicle or miles driven, so we've got to convert this to 100 million. What would be your, yeah, what would be the outcome here? So deaths per miles driven. So let's look at 1970. So we got deaths, 52,000 deaths per 1.1 times 10 to the 12th per trillion, 12 miles driven. Okay. Now we need to convert this to per 100 million miles. So 100 million miles would be times 10 to the 8th. So I'm going to multiply. So I would need to do this 10 to the 8th. And that's 10 to the 8th miles is equivalent to 100 million miles. So I'm going to put 100 million miles because they want that to be what I'm dividing by. So I could do, and I'm not doing anything. Uh-oh, better get that charged. I'm not doing anything with that. So I'm doing 52,000. I'm not doing anything with that. Times 10 to the 8th. And then divided by 1.1 e to the 12th. And so that'd be 4.72 or 4.7 deaths per 100 million miles. Okay, let's look at 2016. So that would be 37,000 deaths per 3.2 trillion. So 3.2 times 10 to the 12th. So you got to do 10 to the 8th and then 100 million. So you're going to make this in terms of 100 million, and these are equal 10.8 and 100 million, not 100,000 million, 100 million, sorry. Okay, 100 million miles. So 3.7 or 37,000 times 10 to the 8th divided by 3.2 e to the 12th. 1.15, 1.6 or 1.2, sorry, 1.2 deaths per 100 million miles. Okay. And so the question asks, how has the risk of driving? It looks like it's been you could go do the, I could say the risk has significantly decreased over time. Decreased over time.